to the all subscribers and viewers of my channel Alcofan. Today I will start cooking homemade cocktail Blue Curacao. The recipe is taken from the vastness of the internet. I will cook it for the first time. We need a half a liter of 40% alcohol. In my case, it's a double peeled moonshine. So, we need 30 grams of dried orange and grapefruit zest, 10 grams of nutmeg, 3 grams of coriander, half a gram of cinnamon and 2 cloves. Sugar syrup is made from 100 grams of sugar and 100 milliliters of water, and also food blue dye, zest and spices put in the jar and fill in with the alcohol. Then we close with the lid and we let infuse it in the warm place for 3 hours. 3 hours have passed. I add syrup and also 1 gram of blue food dye. Close the jar and let it infuse in the dark place for a week, maybe 2. I let it infuse for exactly 10 days in the dark place, and it's time to filter. Filter it we're gonna make with the cotton wool and gauze. Blue Curacao I filtered. Firstly, let's try in the pure form. So, the color looks good and saturated. Probably I exaggerated a little bit, need less dye, but that's okay. So, the smell is wonderful. Smells citrus and lemonade, like a perfume. In a few seconds, smell nutmeg. The taste? It's soft and it's a pleasure to drink it. And he has a specific flavor. Exists some bitterness, but don't butter, and caramel citrus flavor. It really smells like a perfume. Let's just say, in purest form, is for lovers. Now I will try to prepare a classic cocktail called Blue Lagoon. So, I put the ice in the glass. I pour about 20-30 milliliters of Blue Curacao. And add 50 milliliters of 40 proof alcohol. And Sprite. Nice! The color is what we need. Let's taste. In the fact, yes, we have a similar cocktail with the real Blue Curacao. Betrothed nutmeg? Very similar. In pure form, it's rare someone drink it, but the cocktail is what we need. About the color, if you want, you can change the color for red, orange, blue or black. It's important to find a good food dye. In general, the taste is good. All starts well, I like it. Some remarks about the recipe. In my opinion, I would add here more zest of lemon or lime to get a well-defined citrus harshness. I would add less orange or grapefruit, if not to consider the original recipe of Blue Curacao, which makes with the help of the distillation, and also its recipe uses special bitter oranges. This is exactly their zest. In a homemade version of this liqueur, he is worth. It's perfect for a cocktail, Blue Lagoon, and will also decorate well your other cocktails. I like what I recommend. One more thing about the zest. You can use it how much you want. Thank you all for watching. Put likes or dislikes and subscribe the channel. Bye!